You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Okay, so a company reached out to me. The company is called Your Creative Studio, and they asked me if I would be interested in receiving one of their monthly kit boxes. So they sent this to me, and I've seen a couple of unboxings from other YouTubers, and I really love the contents. So I'm super excited to see what's inside of my box. So this little box comes just like this. Everything's all packaged up, and there's this little card here that says thank you, and from what I gather, the image on the back is sort of the theme for the content of the kit. So this image is trains. So let's dive in and see what's inside of this box full of goodies. So I have not opened this at all yet. I have no idea what's in here. So I figured we could do this together. So I love this packaging. This is really cute. I'm trying to save the paper. All right, so what do we have? So there's all kinds of goodies here. I don't know where to start. Let's start in the stuff that we can see. So this looks like maps. These are little baby maps. So we've got a whole booklet full of little images of maps. That's really cute. I love this. This is great for little collage or journal cards. I love the paper that it's on too. Okay, so we've got that. And then we have post box. I'm not sure. It says open. So we have World of Wonders. Ooh. So we have a whole bunch of what looks like washi sticker. Yep, these are washi sticker stamps. That's super cool. I love that. So we have a whole book filled with sort of around the world style theme. We've got a lot of Paris related items. Leaning Tower of Pisa, I think that's what it's called. Maps and stuff. That's really cute. All right, next we have, these look like little snippets. I can't quite tell. Find the memory. Not sure what that means. So these are stickers, I think. They feel like it. So you've just got newspaper clippings and little tickets and labels, and that's super cool. I really like that. All different shapes and sizes. Yeah, and these definitely, they feel like stickers, but I could be wrong. Nope, they're stickers. So sticker labels, get a whole bunch of those. Okay, next we have, I feel like this looks like vellum. So we have a little, nope, it's just paper, scrapbook paper. Little snippets and postage and airmail and stuff like that. That's cool. Get a whole bunch of those. That's really cute. Okay, next we have old newspaper. Same idea, little snippets, and it's really thin paper, but that's cute. Some of these are vellum. Oh, that's nice. That's a vellum piece. Oh, that's really cool. There's a bunch of vellum, mix of different types of paper and stuff. Oh, I really love that. That's super cute. Okay. So we have old newspaper. Next we have sticky note. This is a travel plan sticky note. That's cute. So we have, oh, that's really cool. It's kind of stuck on there. It's got a glue dot or something. Travel plan sticky notes. So that's cute. All right, next we have some Your Creative Studio locomotive station stickers. Oh, these are cool. I like these are not shiny. These are matte stickers. That's cute. I love those stickers. Okay. And then we have paper ephemera. 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. That's interesting. This is different. These are really cool. I love the designs. So that's the patterned paper. Pattern paper. Oh, there's the vellum. I think it's a repeat. So it's 6 different designs repeated in each different type of paper. So we've got those, the vellum. Here it looks like I think this is a sticker paper. Oh no, the back ones are sticker paper. 6 art paper. I'm assuming this is the art paper. This is a bit thicker, like a scrapbook style. And then the sticker papers. That's really cool. I really like that. That's different. Now let's take a look at the package stuff. This is going to be, I'm excited to see this. There's cling stamp, cling stamp, cling stamp, washi, washi. My puppy is trying to get in on this video. So we have some washi sticker. And now we'll take a look at the next one. I'm working with one hand here, trying to get my dog not to bark while I unbox this stuff. That's cool. So we got a couple of rolls of washi tape. All right, let's check out these stamps. I'd like to save these little envelopes. All right, so we've got, oh, that's cool. We got a rubber cling. I don't know if that's rubber or plastic. I don't know, maybe. It's kind of weird, but a foam mounted stamp at the train, that's cute. And then we've got a couple here. Another train, railway station, that's cool. Another one that's locomotive travel, and these have like a little clear film on them so that it'll stick to your acrylic block. That's cool. That doesn't re-stick after you peel it, so. And this one's a train. That's really cool. All right, so that is the contents of the Your Creative Studio subscription box. There is so much fun ephemera and little stamps and stickers and stuff. I'm really excited to create something with these products. So stick around and see what we make. So I started with an A2 size card base. This is a regular standard 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card base. And I'm going to grab the full sheet of sticker paper and I'm going to cover the front of my card base with a full sticker. So I've just cut that piece down and adhered it down to the front of my card. Now I didn't get it perfectly straight, so I came back in with my trimmer and just trimmed away any of the little white that was sticking out, because I didn't want to see any of that. So I'll just trim off those edges. And then next I decided to grab some of the washi tape, and I used both of the tapes here, and I just created like a diagonal strip across the front of the card, and I just layered the 2 pieces of washi tape on top of each other, just to create sort of a base or a grounding layer for the images that I want to add on the top. So I'm just going to peel off the extra washi tape. I'll just use my bone folder to just tear it. Super easy. And I'll press in that tape, make sure it's all nice and stuck. And then I'm going to go to those little washi stamps. And I grabbed one that I thought matched nicely. And I'll just peel the release paper and stick it to my project. Because this is a washi sticker, it kind of ends up being a little translucent. So once you rub it in, it just kind of blends into the project. On that full sheet of sticker paper, there was a locomotive that I ended up cutting off. So I wanted to put that on my card. So I've grabbed a little finger dauber. These are just little blending brushes, and I'm just going to ink up the edges and distress it a little bit using my little finger brush. and I'll ink up those pieces, and then because this is a sticker paper, I'll just peel the release paper and adhere it down to the front of my card, kind of on an angle, giving it a little bit of fun interest. And anything hanging over off the side, I'm just going to trim away. And then I noticed a little tiny bit of white on the edges, so I'm just going to grab my little finger dauber and distress the edge of the card so that everything blends in nicely. And then I've got a sticker label that I'm going to lay right across the washi tape, and it says rides, something like that. So I thought that was cute. It kind of went with the train. And then I'm going to grab one of those train stickers and I'll adhere that down, just creating fun interest on the front of this card. And then I'm going to use one of those stamps, and I'm just going to kind of stamp it in the background. It doesn't matter if it's totally legible or visible. I just want to create a little bit of interest. So I just tested out the stamp, and then I'll ink it up with some craft colored ink and kind of tilt it on an angle and press it into my card. I was too lazy to grab an acrylic block, but this worked out just fine. Perfect. I'm going to leave the front of this card alone. I like the way it looks. I'm going to add a little bit of twine here. This is just some craft colored twine that I have, and I'm going to wrap it around my card, giving it a little bit of fun interest and texture. So the next thing I'm going to do is open up the card, and I'm going to stamp one of those trains on the inside of the card. And I like the way that looks. I love this locomotive, this old style engine. And then I still have a little strip of sticker paper left, and I'm going to put that on the other side of the card. This way that the inside is not super plain and it's nice and decorated. And the last thing I'm going to do is create a little banner here out of one last piece of that sticker paper that I had left. So I ended up using it all, which is really fun. No waste here. Alright, so that is it. This card is complete. This can be used as pretty much anything. A thank you, a hello. You can add this into a journal as a writing spot. Super fun. I love the vintage cool look that I've created out of the contents of the Your Creative Studio subscription box. That's going to be it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to spend it here with me. The links to the subscription box are in the description box down below. I hope that you'll check that out, and definitely worth your money. Get your hands on one of these boxes. They're so much fun and so much stuff inside to create some really fun and cool vintage looking projects. Have yourself a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!